The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, northern Clay County, until 5 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gladstone, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: the public reported a wall cloud with a funnel cloud that has dissipated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kansas City, Liberty, Gladstone, Excelsior Springs, Kearney, Lawson, Holt, Mosby, and Brothersville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 15 and 40. Interstate 435 between mile markers 42 and 50. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Clay and Clinton.